Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell on crypto. Calm Easy Guide. Open the crypto. Calm app and tap Trade to access sell options. I will walk you through choosing an asset, selecting market or limit sell, and reviewing fees. You will learn how to set order size, confirm payment method, and avoid common mistakes. Stick with me for simple steps you can repeat confidently anytime you need to sell crypto quickly. Start by deciding between market and limit sell types based on urgency and price goals. A market sell executes instantly but may get slight slippage, while a limit sell waits for your target price. Enter the amount or percentage of your holdings, double-check the displayed fee and total, then confirm the order. I will highlight timing tips and fee awareness so you can sell smarter and faster on the platform. After selling, decide whether to withdraw fiat to your bank or keep funds on the app for faster buys. If you choose a bank transfer, verify your linked account and expect processing times and any withdrawal limits. Moving crypto to an external wallet requires correct addresses and network selection to avoid loss. I will cover tips to minimize fees and confirm transactions so your funds arrive where you expect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.